If your apps keep breaking because of Android WebView, you're not alone. It's one of the most common pain points for developers. In this video, I'm going to show you the best Android WebView alternatives that actually fix crashes, improve performance, and avoid dependency issues. Let's dive in. Chrome Custom Tabs. The fastest and most popular WebView replacement is Chrome Custom Tabs. It gives you the speed and security of Chrome inside your app without building a full browser. Why devs love it? Faster than WebView? More secure, less code to maintain, uses the actual Chrome browser engine. Best for login screens, payment pages, auth flows, and anything that repeatedly breaks inside WebView. GeckoView. If you want full control over the browser engine, GeckoView is the Firefox engine packaged for app use. Why it's good? Independent from Chrome updates, strong tracking protection. More privacy options, highly customizable. Best for VPN apps, privacy apps, and anything needing secure or custom rendering. Crosswalk project. This is more of a legacy option, but it still matters if you're dealing with older Android devices. Why people still use it? Consistent rendering across Android versions fixes fragmentation issues. Very stable for outdated devices. Best for warehouses, logistics, industrial apps, or any fleet running Android 4.x or 5.x build native screens. Sometimes the best alternative is to ditch WebView entirely and build native screens. Why it works? No browser dependency. Faster performance, fewer crashes, cleaner user experience, best for dashboards, messaging, or high traffic apps where speed is critical. Hybrid frameworks. If you want the convenience of web-based UI but with more stability than WebView, use hybrid frameworks. Options include Flutter React Native Ionic Capacitor. These frameworks handle rendering in a more reliable way and protect you from WebView breaking on its own. If you need stability fast, use Chrome Custom Tabs. If you want full control, use GeckoView. If you're supporting old devices, use Crosswalk. If you want pure speed, go native. If you want flexibility, go hybrid. WebView breaking doesn't have to break your app. Test these alternatives and pick the one that matches your app's needs.